How to fix Faceit anti-cheat error on Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open the search bar at the bottom left and search apps and features. After you've searched apps and features, simply click on it. Then here you will find Faceit. After you find Faceit in here, simply click on it and click on uninstall. In my case, it's not available in my region, so there's no Faceit, so simply click on uninstall. Another thing what you can do is click on Windows and R in your keyboard, which will open Run. Here, type %local data and %. Here also you'll find Faceit file. Simply click on it. After you click on it, click on the delete button on your keyboard, which will delete the file. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Faceit anti-cheat error on Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.